Shaggy is a Jamaican-American reggae DJ. In 2022, Shaggy competed in season 7 of The Masked Singer as a space bunny of Team Cuddly. He was eliminated alongside En Vogue as the Queen Cobras of Team Bad. On July 1, 2021, International Reggae Day, Shaggy, Spice and Sean Paul were interviewed live on ITV1's Good Morning Britain. On June 15, 2021, Shaggy, Spice and Sean Paul performed Go Down Day on Jimmy Kimmel Live as a part of the Mercedez-Benz concert series. On June 18, 2021, Shaggy, Spice and Sean Paul performed live and was interviewed by Wendy on The Wendy Williams Show. In January 2020, Shaggy told the Daily Star in an interview that some of Rihanna's representatives had reached out to him to collaborate on a song for her 9th album. In 2007, he was awarded the Jamaican Order for Distinction with the rank of Commander. In 2022, he was awarded an honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from Brown University. Burrell married his long-term partner Rebecca Packer in 2014 and together they have 3 daughters. Burrell has 2 sons from a previous relationship. His son Richard O'Neil Burrell is an American rapper known as Rob Banks. In November 2019, Shaggy played Sebastian in musical television special The Little Mermaid Live on ABC. Also in 2019, Shaggy collaborated with Indian singer Mika Singh on the later track Belly Ring. In August 2019, it was announced that Shaggy alongside Sean Paul would be headlining the On Live Festival in Queensland slated for February 1, 2020, the first time the festival would be held in Australia. In November 2018, Shaggy featured on the title track of Oli Mar's 6th album, You Know I Know. In May 2019, Shaggy's album Wagwan, I was released. In 2016, he collaborated with French singer Mylène Farmer on City of Love. January 2018 saw the release of Don't Make Me Wait, the first single from a collaboration album with Sting, who invited him to tour along. The album titled 44/876 was released on April 20, 2018. In March 2018, the single Why featuring Missouri was released. On April 5, 2022, Shaggy released the lead single from his 11th studio album Rise. The track World's Citizen is a collaboration with European folk singer Ja Caustics and was a hit all over Europe. Shaggy launched his own label, Ranch Entertainment, on June 4, 2012 at a press launch in New York City. He was joined by label mates Ray Vaughan and Red Fox for the launch, which was publicized by Manhattan-based PR firm Fox Fuse and publicist Rona Fox. Ranch Entertainment is based in New York and Jamaica.